How to increase engagement on threads. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you increase engagement on threads. Increasing engagement on threads relies on fostering a real-time conversation rather than just broadcasting content. So what you want to do is, for this case, you could simply spend 5 to 10 minutes engaging with other threads both before and after you post your own content to signal activity to the algorithm. So before you post, you just want to make sure that you're active on threads before 10 to 15 minutes ahead. And once you've done that, you could also reply to every comment. So threads views comment as currency. Responding to your audience keep your post active in the For You feed as well. And you could also join other conversation like commenting thoughtfully on a large account or specific threads is often more effective for reaching than original posts as well. So these are some of the ways you could increase engagement on threads. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.